The Ukrainian military is facing one of its most challenging periods in the conflict, sustaining significant personnel and material losses along an overextended front line, as Russian forces maintain relentless pressure from Kharkiv in the north to Kherson in the south. According to assessment from Western intelligence agencies and reports from the ground, Ukrainian brigades are grappling with severe ammunition shortage, fatigue from constant combat, and a critical lack of air defense coverage, which allow Russian air power and reconnaissance drones to operate with increased lethality. The situation is particularly acute in the Donetsk sector, where Russian units are conducting methodical grinding offensive operations, capturing several small villages after intense artillery barrage and incurring heavy costs on defending Ukrainian units. This consistent attrition is depleting Ukraine's reserve of experienced soldiers and straining its capacity to rotate troops effectively, creating a precarious defensive scenario that Western analysts warn could lead to a breakthrough if the current pressure is sustained. In a major escalation targeting Ukraine's defense industrial base and international support, Russian forces launched a coordinated long-range missile strike on a critical electronic manufacturing plant on the outskirts of Lviv in western Ukraine. The facility, known as the Lviv Electro-Technical Work, had recently entered into a joint partnership with a major American semiconductor and aerospace component firm, SkyWater Technology, to produce specialized circuit boards and other high-tech components. The strike, which involved a combination of Iskander ballistic missiles and Iranian-designed Shahed drones, inflicted severe damage on the production halls and warehouse facilities. Ukrainian Emergency Service reported multiple fires and a significant number of casualties among both Ukrainian employees and a team of American technical advisors who were on site for the installation of new manufacturing equipment. The Russian Ministry of Defense immediately claimed responsibility, stating the plant had been repurposed for the production and repair of military electronic navigation systems and communication equipment for the armed forces of Ukraine. The strategic implications of this strike are multifaceted and far-reaching. Firstly, it demonstrates Russia's enhanced intelligence capabilities in identifying and targeting high-value, dual-use industrial infrastructure deep inside Ukraine, even in regions previously considered relatively safe. Secondly, and more provocatively, it represents a direct attack on a facility with a tangible American corporate presence, marking a significant escalation by striking a physical U.S. commercial interest on Ukrainian soil. While the U.S. government employees were not the target, the presence of American civilian contractors and corporate assets blurred the line between military and economic involvement. The Kremlin's message is clear. Any entity, foreign or domestic, contributing to Ukraine's war-fighting capacity is a legitimate target. The attack is likely intended to deter further foreign investment in Ukraine's industrial sector and to signal to Western corporations the risk of partnering with Ukrainian defense and technology firms. The international reaction has been one of sharp condemnation mixed with grave concern over the escalation. A spokesperson for the U.S. State Department under Secretary Marco Rubio confirmed American casualties and pledged a swift and determined response, though the nature of that response was not immediately specified. The Pentagon denounced the strike as a barbaric attack on civilian industry. Within Ukraine, the attack has shattered the illusion of security in the West and is likely to accelerate the dispersal of critical manufacturing and repair facilities, making them harder to target but also less efficient. For the Ukrainian military, the loss of this production capacity is a sharp blow to its ability to maintain and repair sophisticated Western-donated weapon system, further compounding the challenges it faces on the battlefield from ammunition shortage and numerical inferiority. Many of my listeners, like 70%, haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and so many of you don't even know that you haven't subscribed. And that is actually what makes the show go on. It's almost like you're making a donation to the show. So that's why I ask again and again, because it enables us to grow and grow and grow. And we're going for the long haul here. And listen, if this is your first time listening to World Global Conflict, you don't have to subscribe. You guys, your first one's on me. But if you have watched this show before, it's like you're a freeloader now. So all I would ask you is, if you have seen this show before and you like it, help me. Help my team here. Hit that subscribe and like button now, and we will continue to build this show for you. That I swear. Thank you to all of you guys who have subscribed. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. That's all for me for today. I will see you soon. Bye for now.